recessive one is green. So it's part of the Mendel experiments. So now, so these are the two characters that we have, the seed shape and the seed color. So what Mendel is saying is that if you have the two different characters like this, that each character that's maybe like the seed shape will behave as a separate unit, that this seed color will not affect the transmission of the genes of the seed shape. You get what I'm saying, like that? So let me just show a crossing to explain what I'm doing now. So the dominant one is R, so this one is R, R, Y, Y. That means this seed that I'm doing now, it is round and yellow. Why these are the recessive traits. This one is wrinkle and green. This is round and yellow. So this is wrinkle and green. So if there is a cross between this and this seed, we have this. All the plants will be round and yellow, although they now have an homozygous trait. All the plants will now be round and yellow. So, assuming that we now have something like this, a cross between this, another cross between this like this. Because we have two different traits now, I will start picking out some gametes now. What I want to do now is called the Punnett square. So we can either have RY, that's R and capital letter Y. We can also have R and small letter Y. We can have small letter R and this. So these are the gametes that we have. And please, if you want more lecture on this, I will put a link in the comment section and just send your details to that email so that I will go deeper, whether it is mathematics, physics, chemistry, or biology. If you need help with your WAEC, NECO, JAMB examination, you can message me. So these are the gametes. They are already separated from this one and this one like this. So if this and this cross, so I'll be fast now. Now we have RR, both of them are small letter, but this one is capital letter. So this one is capital letter, this one is capital letter. This one is capital letter, small letter, capital letter, small letter. These ones are round and yellow, I'm just trying to beat the time. I don't want this video to be too long. So capital letter R and capital letter R. But we have small letter Y here and small letter Y here. Capital letter R, small letter R, this and this, Y. So capital letter R, small letter R, this is Punnett square. So this Now let me quickly explain what I. So when there is a cross of these two characters now, this is RR, and that is, I've said already that this means that it is round. We are talking about the seed shape. This is round, and there is a dominant gene here. That's capital Y, round and yellow. So this is round and yellow. So let me mark it like this. This is also round and yellow. This is also round and yellow. Because although this one is recessive, but this one is dominant over it. So round and yellow, 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 then round and yellow. So let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 round and yellow. So 9. I want to quickly do the phenotypic ratio. 9 phenotypic ratio. So okay, this is round and yellow. Now let's now look at this. I want to look at for round and green. So this one is green. Round and green. This is also round and green. I'm looking for round. Okay, and this one is also round and green too. So now for wrinkle and yellow, that it we have small letter R, just small letter R, because this is a recessive gene. 2 small letter R, and it must have at least 1 capital letter Y. So this one is round, wrinkle and yellow, wrinkle and yellow, and wrinkle and yellow, also 3. Then the last one is wrinkle and green. It's only this one. So that is the phenotypic ratio. So don't forget this Mendel's second law. Okay, just know the first and second law. So don't forget to ask questions and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.